Today we're going to be taking a detailed look at PressureTech CV414 self-closing cylinder valve and the advantages it can bring you, especially when paired with our lightweight 351 pressure regulator. So what exactly is the CV414 valve? Well, it's a self-closing cylinder valve that, when paired with a gas cylinder, enables a seamless gas supply through the CV414 onto the pressure regulator itself. Once the gas cylinder has run out, and you need to repressurize the cylinder, the low torque adjustment on the regulator enables no special tools are required to disconnect the pressure regulator itself. Our refill adapter can then be added onto the valve, and to prevent any overpressurization, a burst disc can be applied to the CV414.
So with regards to the CV414's design, it incorporates a unique bottom entry cartridge which houses all the critical components that make up the valve. For these, a number of design considerations were given to material selection of metallic, thermoplastic and elastomeric materials. The CV414 incorporates a female threaded connection which allows the user to connect the valve to the pressure regulator whilst applying very low amount of torque. Also, the valve has been designed in accordance with ISO 17879 with temperature extremes of -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. So to gain TPED approval, we put the valve through a number of rigorous test regimes, such as temperature tests to the extremes of -40 degrees Celsius and +60 degrees Celsius, endurance tests to over 2000 cycles, hydrostatic burst pressure tests, and internal leakage tests as well.
The CV414 eliminates the need for fill valves, hoses and additional fittings and pipework, just to name a couple of its advantages. For more information, please watch our video and follow the link to see how advantageous it can be when pairing the CV414 to our LW351 pressure regulator.